Hello, welcome to yet another exciting video from Times of Agriculture GH. Today we happen to be at Java Farms in the Wenchi Municipality. And actually is the biggest vegetable farm in the municipality, and it's a commercial irrigated vegetable farm. And they do production both in the rainy season and the dry season as well. They are into the production of crops such as lettuce, pepper, cucumber, cabbage, watermelon, carrot, and a host of other crops. They are actually also into snail farming and fish farming as well. And the beautiful thing is they use the water from the fish ponds to irrigate their farms. And also, they also compost poultry manure and also apply this poultry manure onto their fields. Actually, it's an organic farm, so whoever buys from these people, this farm, you're actually getting an organic produce, and it doesn't also come at a premium fee. It's just just as normal as we have on the market. That is one beautiful thing. The CEO has told me that the CEO has told me that his family eats from this farm, and he wouldn't want to produce anything that is of less quality for the Ghanaian consumer. So whenever you buy from these farms, you are getting good value for money. And that is one beautiful thing about this farm. Whatever you see on the farm was done by him. He's actually an agric engineer, and he single-handedly installed the irrigation system and all that you see on the farm. He's actually an agric consultant, and he does these things for people as well. He's traveled far and wide across the country to do some of these setups for people. He actually said that he has a model that is also workable for homes. So if you have a small portion in your home, he could also build an irrigated farm whereby you would also produce your own food at home. And also, he is also going to teach us how to set up and manage the farm step by step. So don't miss an episode of all the subsequent videos that is coming. So kindly subscribe so that when we upload any video, you would be the first to know. Let's take a tour on the farm.